In today's tech news, Pennsylvania-based Gecko Robotics has expanded its partnership with the U.S. Navy, receiving approval for its rapid ultrasonic gridding process. The Navy will now use Gecko's wall-climbing robots and AI-powered software platform on its first amphibious assault ship and an R-late Burke-class destroyer to create digital models, which will reduce maintenance cycle times and keep vessels out of dry dock. Gecko Robotics has a proven track record across various industries and has previously collaborated with the Navy through partnerships with different organizations. The company's innovative technology has shown significant results in reducing maintenance lead times and increasing data availability. For instance, Gecko's products have cut ship rudder inspection lead time from 11 days to just 1 day. Additionally, their wall-climbing robots and software have captured much more data than traditional methods, such as 4.2 million data points compared to 100 data points for one Navy asset. Gecko Robotics' success is attributed to its wall-climbing robots and AI-powered software platform, which provide accurate data and speed up maintenance cycles. The company's expansion with the U.S. Navy marks another milestone in its growth and diversification in the defense industry, with great potential to revolutionize maintenance and inspections across various sectors. Thank you for watching.